What's up, guys? Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? Coming to you with another unboxing video. I'm going to be trying out and reviewing this Wi-Fi digital picture frame Focus On that I got for Christmas. Thank you to the missus. To the missus. You. Anyways. This is a Walmart brand, but you can get them at Target, or I think I might even seen them at Walgreens. Or Amazon. Let's see, what's this? Quick start guide. Power, micro USB, DC speaker, micro SD, I'll take a look at that in just a minute. And then you get the product guide. Nice. Now this is the 10-inch. It's got a nice screen. I like that. And there's the stand right there. And there's your ports. You got USB, micro USB, power button. So let me read the instructions real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so you can either plug this in with the USB, just plug it into your computer like that, or you can use the wall outlet. Either way, you're gonna get this setup screen. We're gonna go English. And then it also says to download the Framero app. So I'm actually gonna start that now. Welcome to Framero. Get started. Share photos and videos with your loved ones anywhere in the world. Sign up with my Google account. To send photos to the frame, ask the owner of the frame for a code. Insert code given by the friend, yada yada yada. Okay, so let me set up the Wi-Fi real quick. And hang on a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get creative here. It's not working with USB, so you can't plug it in. Well, at least I can't figure out how to do. Plug it into the computer or USB. It's supposed to work that way, but it's obviously not. So you plug it into the wall outlet, and then you can do that. Add friend, and then you just go into your app, on your phone. Press that icon there, and then enter the code 5147531616. Then that'll connect to your phone. New friend was added. Oh, that's cool. It shows the weather and temperature too. So let me see here. Go into gallery. I'm gonna try and figure out how to get Sasha on there. But for now, we'll do some of the Disney ones. What, can I select multiple? There we go. Wait, what? Why is it doing that? Oh, you can only select up to 10 photos? That's dumb. Okay, so sent. What in the world is going on? Okay, so there it is now. I gotta say the graphics, I mean the megapixels look pretty damn good on here. And then you can just swipe. So can you send more than that? I'm gonna try sending a few more. So send those. Okay, this is really kind of annoying. So it's not spectacular, but it does the job. And you can only send 10 photos at a time. Let me go back to the main menu here. Is there a way to do that? Settings, manage photos, 20 photos stored, display, brightness level, slideshow, there we go. Alright, let's see if that works. And that's not sliding. What the heck? So fit to frame. Fit to frame. Fit to frame. That one I like. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take another look at this in a bit here. First impressions, it looks good, and it does work to an extent. I'd give this about maybe 2.5, maybe 3 stars. Keep in mind, it does need a micro SD card. I only had a regular one. And you're supposed to be able to plug it into your computer as well, USB, but that's not working. And it's not slideshowing like I want it to. I'm gonna have to play around with this in a little bit here again, like I said, but if you want this for yourself, if you think you can handle it better than I can, I'll link it right below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye! Okay, so I figured out what I was doing wrong. Go back into settings. You can set the display time. I had it for like 60 seconds. So let's bump it to every 10 seconds. So let's go back here. And in 10 seconds, it should swipe over. There we go. Awesome. I like that. I'd rather be in my office, but, you know, we'll make it work. Okay, cool. And like I said, guys, you can get this at Walmart. I'll link it right below. If you're interested, check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.